Hi, welcome to How to Align an Element Using the Marquee tool, a tutorial for digital scrapbookers and other hybrid artists. I'm Dawn Farias of Dawn by Design. You can find me online at dawnbydesignstore.com. The supplies you'll need for this tutorial are Photoshop Elements or Photoshop and a layered scrapbooking page that you're working on. My supplies are Photoshop CS6 and a layered page called the Relaxing Room. The steps are simple. Open up your layered page, click on the element to activate its layer, use the marquee tool to select your space, and then use the move tool to align the element with your selected space. Let's see how that looks now. Here's my page called the Relaxing Room. This is a page about how my kids the whole family likes this one little spot in our master bedroom near the window where there's a rocking chair, and people seem to just go there to think for a bit, use the phone, get away. On this particular afternoon, both my younger and older daughters were in the room. The shoes belong to my older daughter, and I thought the photo really captured the relaxing day we were having that time. Most of the supplies in this page are from Saline Studios kit called Worth 1,000 Words, and you can find that online at the-lilypad.com. Also, find the blog post for this tutorial at my website, downbydesignstore.com, and I'll link you up there as well. It's a really fun, gorgeous kit that's very versatile, very eclectic, and I really enjoyed working with it. So what I'm going to do here is show you how to align an element in an open space. And the element I want to work with is this sentiment stamp down here that says, "This tells the story." I thought it was perfect for my shoe picture, and so I wanted it to be near there. My first step I told you was to click on the element. So I'm going to click on that stamp. You see it's selected, and down here in the layers palette, it's highlighted and activated. Right here. I'm going to keep it highlighted and activated. Not going to change anything, except now I'm going to come up here to activate my marquee tool. You'll see my cursor turns into this crosshatch. I want to align this element in this open space that's defined by the two photos. So there's no paper mask there. There's no label or piece of paper that would be easy to align it with. It's just an open, undefined space. So I'm going to roughly choose that space with the marquee tool right now. Okay. And when I let go of my cursor, it's still activated. There's marching ants. If you look at my layers palette, my element is still active and highlighted. So I don't have to worry about re-choosing it. So with my marching ants still going, I'm now going to change to the move tool, which is the arrow. And some options that come up are these different ways of aligning objects. You can align their centers. Those are with the lines going down the middle, here and here. You can align objects on the top, the bottom, the left edges, the right edges. Today I'm going to be aligning I want it centered perfectly. So I'm going to align with the horizontal and vertical centers. So I'm going to choose two things. One, and I want you to watch down here also. Keep your eye here and here. I've aligned it, the centers this way, and I'm going to choose the horizontal center choice, and they're perfect. My sentiment stamp is now perfectly aligned in the center of that undefined space that was formed by the two photos, and I'm done. If I want to deselect the marching ants, I'm going to do Command D, or you can do Control D on your PC, or if you just notice, sometimes I just click outside the page on my workspace. There you have it, done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was a quick tip. One bonus tip, I also used this exact same thing over here when I did the date. I didn't want the date aligned with this entire tab here because it's got different widths throughout. I wanted it aligned with just the main part of the tab here. And with the date activated and highlighted and just that main part of the tab where you would actually type the date, I did this exact same thing, and there you go. It's aligned. Easy peasy. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Again, you can find the corresponding blog post for this tutorial at dawnbydesignstore.com. Click on the Tips and Toots tab at the top. Thank you. Bye.